Hey guys, here we are. We're at St. Louis Canyon. St. Louis Canyon Falls Virtual Geocache. Now this is a virtual, so there is no container to this geocache. You just meet the requirements and log it. Busy place. What do you think, Nick?
Awesome. You can see the little flashing.
Yeah, the mist and all that. That's wild. Alright guys, this place is pretty darn cool. Now it's time for me to get the virtual geocache. Nick and I are wandering around Starved Rock. This cool little spot. Jump in, Nick. Go get under the waterfall.
That stick looks like a fish. Almost warm enough for you to jump in.
See, look, you can get your way over there, climb up there, make your way over to the waterfall. Might be a little slick right here, so be careful.
Honestly, I would, but it doesn't look like I can get over that.
Just a quick little spot we had to show off. Wildcat Canyon. We were at the bottom, now we're at the top. Woo, wow. Crazy. Wow. What? Wow. What the hell is that? That's weird pile of poop. Another side we'll have to check out in a minute. Whew, I don't do good with heights, so this has got me a little going. I'm hanging on tight. What's your thoughts, son?
It's awesome.
Yeah, it is. Cool spot, guys. Wildcat Canyon. A lot of these little locks along the way. Here we are, we're at the other side now. Ooh, man. Holy cow. This really has my fear of heights going. Wow. That's so cool though. Man, what it'd be like to see the trails way back before they put all these boardwalks in.
You just stole my thing. When we were talking.
Go ahead and say it.
I said it would have been cool to see what this looked like 100 years ago. Before they had all the trails. All the things.
He is right.
Yeah. I doubt it.
Another pretty cool section, guys. Yeah, one of the places in Sedona is called the Ledges, the steps. You jeep up them, down them.
Really?
I want to.
Wednesday?
Yeah, I'll be at work. Go ahead, son. We'd like to watch you slip. I mean, watch you go up this. Yeah, it's about 28-degree water.
I thought it was just warmer than
Yeah, that is not warm, bud.
warmer than other waterfalls.
Buenas tardes, alles ist größer in Vietnam. In Amerika.
That's pretty neat. Go up the log, Nick. Modern day petroglyphs, guys. Definitely cool up here. This was definitely worth the trip.